to record for the first time ever my hair coloring process. This is my hair coloring shirt, by the way, for all my PCK gang. Hey, we out here. Excuse me if you hear my toilet running in the background, but anyway, I am about to get my color concoction going for Fiona. This is my hair. This is what her name is. She has her own personality. She thick. She real thick. But I am about to show y'all my color transformation process. I'm going to try to like do clips and go ahead and break it up, but y'all can kind of get the technique and all that. So let's get into it. Let me show y'all what the cocktail is going to be for the new year for Fifi. All right, so pretty much I'm showing you guys the color panel here, the bleach. I have the gloves, the oil for your edges. The purple pack is for the lighter blonde hair, and the blue pack is for the darker roots. So we're going to do 2 lifting sessions. So you're going to see that in the next clips. Y'all, so I have been mixing for about a good minute and some change, actually probably about a good 3 minutes. And you want to mix this. I'm gonna show y'all the consistency. You want to mix this, see, till it's pretty much got like a little bit of clumps in there, but you know, beat that bit, beat this brush all up down the bottom. So I just want to give y'all a quick little in-between update. We in the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. So we are, excuse my boyfriend over here dying outside in the background. Medicating. But yeah, we into the thick of it. I'm at the crown of my head now. So I'm gonna need about 12 packs of freaking powder. Look at this. So we definitely about to do another run through, because this is ghetto. This is frowned upon. Like, what in the world, Fiona? Girl, what, you don't put on some weight over the summer? Hell, you got this pandemic weight up in his head? Because how did that not really do what it needed to do for all, like, welcome to my world of taming this man. Just welcome to the world, because trust me, it ain't gonna be perfect, because what hair color stylist at home does anything when it's come out perfect? All my hair colors come out happy accidents. Shout out to Bob Ross. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna get Patchy Fifi all together properly with the second coat of this bleach. So I'll holler back at y'all soon. All right, so now you see my hair is just pretty much blown out. Everything is blowing, drying out. I'm out here looking like a daggone Trojan helmet. All this fluffy hair. Just a lot. But anywho, we're about to go ahead and apply the second coat of bleach and then get her color corrected. All right, so gonna go ahead front to back this time. So go ahead and get started. This part will be sped up, so we're gonna go ahead and wait. After 25 years of sectioning and getting the bleach applied, you see the results. So it's obvious, but this is where we're at right now. The purple crack, we all know the toner shimmering lights, so that'll help get all that murkiness out for the most part. Like, you know, again, ain't 100% perfect. We make it work. I'm trying to see this color back here. Okay, so a little pinkish, but I'm gonna put a dark color on top of that. So anyway, let me go wash this out and then I'll be back. So pretty much I'm just letting the purple shampoo sit. This is my second rinse. You let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, blow dry, and get to the color placement next. So yay, the fun part, definitely exaggerating, but anywho, we're blow drying. You see how fluffy and like she transforms. You know, like the sponges where they're super small, you put water on and all of a sudden they transform to something huge and fluffy? That's Fifi. So we are blow drying her in sections, running everything through, still doing it. Y'all see, yeah. Tired. This is definitely a daggone workout. So get a blow dry really good for the most part before we apply the next second round of bleach. You don't want to have any really damp spots, so switch it up, reverse it, blow dry. Hair is blown out. You see Fifi is blown all the way out. Y'all see all of the color transitions. It's like the different stages of growth of your hair, like the hair cycles, because as you see, I don't know if you really can get the lighting, but there we go. Catch the light from yeah, you see how light and like pastelish silverish the tips are. That's kind of like the cool natural ombre effect, even though you know that shaft brassiness. Listen, that's just about as good as we're gonna get. Everything I'm about to put on here is dark colors, so I'm about to show y'all the color. All right, you guys, so I'm just showing you the mixture of colors I'm doing, which is the Siren Song, that's the lighter looking blue, the Aquamarine is the darker one, making a nice little color combo. I'm sectioning my hair, as you see, using a mirror and clips and a comb, get a nice little chunk in the back. I'm going to start there first, or we start in the back, and clipping on my hair because it's super long, as you see, so once you get it saturated, don't want it flopping all over the place. So next we're going to get to the color placement. So y'all see what we got now. I just combed everything through, so you see how, you know, it's dark at the roots, a little lighter at the tips. So, and you know, when you wash it, cold water to preserve the color longer, it'll gradually fade into its own little beautiful menage of colors. Oh, I gotta show y'all. I did my little tail in the back. Y'all see it? Cute. Oh yeah, and I am going to pop this somewhere. Do you see where I'm going with this, with the whole kind of peacock yeah, kind of vibe? This is going to be like one little small section or something. I'm about to add this. update. This is the end result of my hair color transformation. You see we got a lot going on here, okay? Fiona is busy and she is flourishing and she is vivacious and she is thick, baby. She thick. So I got my hair cut because if y'all saw when I was coloring it, she was all kind of all over the place. She was just grown out, all wild, untamed. But she's back in action now. Y'all see it? Yeah, pretty much it. I love it. I've done something similar like last year. It just was not as bright, I think. I'll probably post like a little clip to show you like the comparisons of when I did last year if I can find one. But anyway, this is what I use for my twist out. This is my new favorite product. I love Creamy Nature and Shea Moisture brands anyway. I used this before. See, I still have, it's like literally barely anything left. But I re-upped on my protective hair stuff. This is great. I did this twist out like Thursday last week, and this kind of got a little frizzy because I traveled and everything like that. But anyway, it's winter, so you know your hair will get drier. The air is dry, so you really got to keep your hair moisturized. My hair, she sucks up oil like crazy. Like she be thirsty. She a thirsty little heifer. But that's how you keep your hair moisturized. Because you color, when you bleach and color your hair, you have to keep it way more hydrated. You gotta take care of it. You gotta do treatments and hair masks and all that stuff. Because your curl pattern, you will lose your curl pattern if you bleach your hair. That's just the sacrifice you gotta make. I love it. I love my natural curls. I still have to grasp how thick my hair is because Lord, you know, this is the result. I love it. It's a labor of love. But yeah, twist out, my favorite. Didn't leave my hair crunchy. My twists were like springy, bouncy, still moisturized. What I do to oil my regular scalp, I'll mix this. This is the old bottle. I'll mix this, and I normally use I get like a couple of these brands of like the different oils. They're very inexpensive from the dollar from the hair store, y'all. And I'll just make my little oil concoction and put it up in this bad boy, shake it up, and just go ahead to town. Pull it over my hands, pluck it out like this. You know what I'm saying? And literally do a good solid twist out. It'll last me a long time. And I live in Florida, so it's not really too dry right now, but still really not unseasonably warm. It's warm for Florida in January. It's like 70 degrees right now, so my hair is not super dry, it's not suffering, but either way, I keep my hair moisturized, period. Because like I said, she thirsty, okay? She needs all the nourishment she can get. Because as soon as my hair starts feeling brittle, I'm like, nope. But that's it. That's all. That's what I want to show y'all. So, yeah. So, stay tuned for my next color transformation. I'll try to record it for you guys. I want it to be a little bit more dolled up when I showed y'all this. But whatever. It's the color for me. Okay. It's Fifi. She's the star right now. Okay. I'm home chilling. But anyway. But that's all. Y'all be great. Thanks for watching. And I will be back with another transformation soon.